Hey guys, we're picking up the vlog back in Mobile, Alabama, and the rest of the week I show you our evacuation trip to New Orleans for Hurricane Michael. Enjoy! So here we are evacuating, or we evacuated Pensacola, and we are in our nice upgraded suite. It's like a little house. It's a kitchen, bathroom,
And it's free.
and it's free on points. More about that later. And this is the room. Ooh, it is a king bed. Oh, that's, well, I don't know, but it's one. Perfect for co-sleeping. But yeah, here we are in Nola. I am so tired. Hey guys, excuse my crazy hair, but we finally made it to New Orleans, evacuated. It's almost 4 in the morning. I still have work tomorrow. But yeah, we're here, we're safe. I think Hurricane Michael is strengthening to Category 5, so I hope all my friends and family that stay behind in Pensacola evacuate, board up, be safe. Peace.
Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, cause we're falling apart.
Hey guys, so got done working out and working here in New Orleans, one of my favorite pasta shops. Can't wait to eat. Yo, this salad is amazing.
Listen, part of building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it.
So I'm here doing a face mask, and my son is so scared. Oh, bless you. Look at him right here. He's just staring at me. I'm mommy. I just got a face mask. Hey, babe. Do you like my mask? You like my mask? Hi. He's a little cranky because he hasn't had his nap. Come on, go to sleep. Go to sleep, cutie pie. Rolling over. No, eat him live, Kenny. I can't believe you chickened out. He was about to eat a mealworm live.
It's gonna eat it roasted.
All right, you gotta eat it roasted.
Jeez.
Yo, Cindy really gonna eat one?
Yes. If you real one, you would eat one too.
Man, I'm not real.
Little kid's a real one. If he had teeth, he could eat
No,
one.
don't give him any of that. So these guys, they're gonna eat a mealworm roasted.
You know there's like restaurants where you can eat like bugs and stuff like that.
Yeah, but go eat it. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're still alive?
Yes.
Wow. Yo, wait.
Fresh.
Come close, babe, so I can record. Come closer. Come closer so I can get on camera. You eating the fresh one. Come on, come here. Babe, come here.
Good for Cindy.
Oh, you want it alive now?
I'll tell you gonna eat it now.
Put it in your mouth now.
Wait.
Oh wait, one of them is for her though. But come close.
You want me to eat alive?
Yeah, come close.
Fry it.
I thought we were two.
I thought you guys were done frying it. Kenny was scared? You're so scared? Season. You're gonna eat some gut-loaded mealworms.
Yeah.
Little kid is here. My name is Little Kid. I'm a baby. What you eating? Can I have some? Ew, no, don't give me.
Look at what Ken. He's like, can I have some?
Yeah, his like smacking his lips.
He's like, that looks tasty.
Okay.
Want cheers?
Yeah.
Oh, you give me the big one?
Yeah.
Why are you so
No,
mean?
it's okay.
That is big, yo.
Okay.
Okay. Cheers.
Okay. Alright.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
How's it
It's not
taste?
that bad, actually.
Yeah. It tastes like peanuts.
Peanuts? Yum. My nails done today. Loving the white. Hey guys, sorry I look so disheveled, but I am so stressed out. I was driving through New Orleans trying to get to this one chicken spot, and there was this huge grasshopper on my side mirror. I had the windows down and everything, so of course I panicked. Closed the windows. I had baby in the back crying, and then New Orleans traffic. Yeah, thankfully it flew off before I was able to get out of the car, but that was so crazy. I do not like bugs. Okay, I'm glad we're here. We can eat. Hey, buddy. He's awake now. Hi, Ken. So cute.
Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart.
Hey guys, hope you liked that vlog and I hope you enjoyed the Snapchat segment at the end. Please feel free to like, share, and comment on this video, and please subscribe to see more. Thank you.